everyone, I'm Regan Stout with DFS Marketing here in the production department, and today I'm going to be teaching all of you how to make your own YouTube account so you can start uploading videos and making all sorts of content that you need to make. So it just takes a few minutes and I'm going to show you right now. So let's get started. So right now I am on the YouTube website. I just Googled that. So if you want to use that in your search browser, either Google Chrome or Safari or whatever search engine you have. So I'm on youtube.com, and then I'm going to go into sign in to create a new account. And then you want to go down to add account at the bottom. And then you want to go to create new account right here. So right now I'm just going to you'd want to put your first name right here and then your last name right here, but we're going to create an email actually for the production department here. So I'm going to do DFS for the first name and then production for the last name. And then this says you'll need to confirm that this email belongs to you, but we're just going to create a Gmail account instead. So click on the bottom link that's blue. So I'm going to write DFS production, that's the last name, at gmail.com, and then you'll want to make a password for yourself. But I can't tell you guys that because it's a secret. So then you'll click next. So it looks like this username's already taken, and you guys might come across that issue as well. So I'm just going to put a dot right here. And that one's already taken too, so I'm going to write DFS production 12. But you guys can decide that on your own, whatever you would like to do. But it's going to create my Gmail account now as it's loading. And it might take a few minutes. So hang with us. And so you can either click to save this password or not. I'll click save because I have a hard time remembering passwords. So then I'm going to put my phone number right here in the phone number. You'll want to probably put your cell phone number because it'll want to shoot you a text message. So I would recommend using a cell phone for that option. And this is your recovery email address. This is something that you already have. It can be a Gmail account or it doesn't have to be. Just so if you forget your email address, it'll just send you a quick email on how to update it and what to do. So just fill in kind of the rest of your information. It's exciting. The world of YouTube. And it's still loading, so we'll just wait. The magic's coming slowly. But you'll probably want to have your phone right by you so it can text you. It just actually said, to make sure this number is yours, Google will send you a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Standard rates apply. So I'm going to click send to my number. Sure, you guys will blur my number out in case you want to call me. Call me. Maybe. Just kidding. So what your verification text message will look like, it'll just say G58732 is your Google verification code, and it'll just come from like a number. Like this one came from the number 220/00. So you'll just get a random number, and it'll only text you to give you notifications like this, so you won't have to worry about it like blowing up your phone. It'll just send you notifications whenever it's recording for Google. So just click verify whenever you type that in the website. And then get more for your number. Just say skip that to just make this as easy as possible. And then just press I agree. And you can choose to read all the privacy and terms if you want, but just trying to make this as fast as possible. So now we have created our own account. So now you can start uploading a video to YouTube. Our Google account is dfs.production12@gmail.com, but yours will be different for your business or your company or your first or your last name. So then you can actually just start uploading videos. To upload your first video, you can go to this button right here that says upload video. And the page is loading. But you can also go live with your channel, but that's something later that we'll teach you in a different video. This is just the initial starting of the process. But now you're done with your phone, so you don't need that anymore. But yeah, once this page loads, you can just explore this website and keep going with all kind of your content. You'll just do upload as. DFS is our first name and production is our last name. So then press create channel, and you can also put your company's name right here. It's whatever you want to do. Just be creative, or it's just your preference. So create channel. But this is only taken about 4 or 5 minutes of your time, and you can do this probably on your phone too, but this is the computer is how we're teaching you. But yeah, after that, I think you're free to select files to upload when you press this button right here, and you can just explore everything that you have on your desktop or on your files that you've saved or what you've done at home, your photos or your movies. You can just select any files and be as creative as you want to be and select files to upload, and after you've selected one, you'll just click open and it'll just start uploading for you. And then you'll just have to wait. Okay, so right now I am uploading the video and it says it's at 7%, and it'll tell you how many minutes are remaining over here. So if you just want to title what your movie is about, I'm just going to call this recording 1. In the description, you can make it however long you want. It'll give you an amount of characters. You can fill it up or just do a short description. That's really your preference. And then you can also put some tags in here, like some hashtags as well for keywords that you want to reference. So I'm going to say marketing, as well as social media. And then I'll do another one as YouTube, because we're on YouTube, but you can really type as many as you want in here until it stops and won't let you type anymore. And then you can just click publish and it'll save what you've done, and then you just wait. Depending on how long your video is, it'll take longer. If it's a short video, it'll upload shorter. Right now, as we're currently making this video, we're using Wi-Fi, so our network maybe a little bit slower than usual, but at home you're probably using a hard line and it's speeding up the process, so if you're on Wi-Fi it could take a little bit longer than a hard line, but it's just kind of where you're at and whatever network you're using. So then whenever you get done typing in all of your information, you'll just hit publish and it will automatically go to where your videos are going to be saved at. So it looks like it's at 95% right now. I'm just going to wait for it to finish processing. But it says your video was uploaded. Once process is complete, your video can be found at this link right here. So it'll give you the link, and the link is right here now. So you can just copy and paste that, Control-C or Command-C, however you do it on your computer. And you can also Facebook it out, tweet it out, blog it, Reddit, Tumblr, whatever your form of communication is. And you can also email the link, because now you've also created an email address like we did in the first step. So it's all very simple with these steps. So you can just Control-C, and then that is your link. You can always go up and upload a new video, like I'm doing right here, if you want to go on to the next one. And you can also plan your post if it's going to go scheduled. You can schedule it right here and schedule a time and day for it too, so that's kind of cool. But also, you want to make sure to type in DFS marketing, our company, in the search engine like I'm doing right now, and click enter. So it's going to give you some of our videos that show up here. And to get to our page, what I'm going to do is click on Julian Doherty, the president and founder's face right here. It's hard to miss. He's right here. Click him. It's your one chance to get as close as you can to Julian Doherty and his face. So we are on the DFS Marketing YouTube page right now. Exciting. We post new content and videos every day, so look out for that. And if you want to get notifications and follow us, just click subscribe right here. This big button, you can't miss it. So just click right on it. Now I subscribed. Woo! And now I'm going to click this bell so we can get notified about every video, and if we ever go live, you'll be the first to know. So I'm going to click get notified too. And once you're notified, the bell will have some blinkers on the side of it. So that's when you know you're confirmed. So right now, we have just taken about 5 or 6 minutes of your time, and we have created our own YouTube channel, our own email address with Google, and we've also uploaded a video and subscribed to DFS Marketing's page and got notified with all the links. Exciting. So you can do that too. Just start now. It just takes a few short minutes of your time. And also, while you're at it, subscribe to our channel and get notified with all of our links with new videos like this that we'll post continually. And it's really exciting, and you can create as many videos as you want and share them quickly with your friends and family. All you have to do is copy and paste that link in an email to Facebook, to Twitter, whatever your how you like to communicate. And it's really easy, and it's the way of the future. So it's exciting, and we can't wait for you to be a part of what we're doing, and subscribe to our channel too and get notified with more videos. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel for the latest and greatest updates on the fixed index annuity world and how DFS can help you with your business.